Hey guys, it's me, Kalia, and today, don't mind my phone. Anyways, what? I don't know. Don't mind my dad either. So, today we are going to be turning 2 slimes into jiggly slimes. What you'll need is 2 slimes and a lot of water. And your hands, because it's going to take a long time. So I'm going to review these slimes first. This one is like a bubbly slime, I guess. It's already sort of jiggly, but I want it like a water slime. That's that one. This slime is a really thick slime. It's kind of like a butter slime. That's gold. Do you see how like thick and glossy? Wait, it's not really glossy, but like a butter slime, I guess. It has like those little diaper things in it because my friend and me were making some slime and she pranked me because I pranked her one time. I mixed all dirty stuff in her slime. So this is how she got me back. She put diaper stuff in it and it was horrible. I had to reactivate it. It took a very long time, but thank you. Because now, wait, shh, you guys hear that click? Yes. Makes awesome bubbles. So yeah, we're actually not doing this one because we're going to keep a big batch of this one. This is actually the slime that we're changing to a jiggly slime because it's not that big and I wanted a big thing, so we're going to take some out because I want to take that because we're going to need this Chinese container. I couldn't find any other Chinese containers, so I just used this one, which is basically what you put sushi in and rice, and it comes with this lid, which I love. The first slime that we're going to be changing to is this slime. It's basically this one because it's way too big and I had to, do my stuff with it. I added shaving cream. My dad's shaving cream. I added a little bit of Daiso clay and Mono Magic clay. And a lot of glitter and sequins. It's really nice. I hate to see this one go. I really do, but do you see how stretchy that is? This one is my favorite slime. Okay, so let's get on to the tutorial. Now, what you're gonna do is put your slime in a bowl or whatever you have, or even on the counter. I really don't care. I'm gonna take my water bottle. I don't drink from it because my brother drank from it, and he bit it in me. Just gonna add some water. Only add like this, like a half a heart of it, and yeah. Mix it. This may take a while, so if you're here on my channel, please subscribe because it's free. You don't have to pay for it. And follow me on TikTok and Snapchat. My TikTok is slime_gang and my Snapchat is KKey729. Yes, I couldn't come up with any other, what do you call it? username, so they just gave me one, and I stuck with it because I had way too much accounts, and I didn't what do you call it? I didn't memorize my password. So yeah. Okay, so this is the slime now. Before we add a lot of water, it is very, very sticky. Well, a little bit sticky, I guess you could say. That you click with it. So, if you need some slime to fix it, just put one right here. So yeah, let's add some more water. See, it's if you don't like slime, then don't watch this video, because then you just be stupid and you don't like slime. And if you don't like slime, then why are you watching this video? You may have seen my slime video of when I made slime with Nickelodeon glue. If you haven't seen that video, then click right here and I am the left, and it'll take you right there. Whoa! I love. Ooh! I've squirted out everywhere. Okay, maybe I put too much water, but we're still gonna mix. Mix. So yeah, all you have to. No, okay. So my friend got an iPhone XR, and I'm so jealous, but she's only 10. I'm just looking at my mom like I'm 11 and she's 10. We are 1 year apart. How come I don't have it? She was like, you're not like other people, and I'm like, I don't care if I'm not like other people. I want to get an iPhone X. Like, my brother should get the iPhone X because he's 15. He's about to turn 16. So yeah, this is finally jiggly slime. I just need to add some more water. Not some more water. It's very jiggly. And add some of this slime. It's turn bubbly. This is this slime. It's basically like, which one is it? This slime, but I dyed it purple. This one is like a magenta color. 10%. Okay, so we're gonna have to make this video quick. So, anyways, we're just gonna add some of that slime thing. I was gonna do one slime. I don't want to change any others. Well, you're gonna add some. If you want to add a hard slime or whatever slime you have, do that. This one's not that good because it rips, but man, is it clicky. So yeah, let's just add this in. Whoever can edit the video that I posted on my channel wins my YouTube account, and I really do not care because I don't want to do YouTube anymore. You know what? I'm quitting YouTube because I never get that many subscribers. And go follow blogging and blog. It's like vlogging, but like blogging and singing with Bob Sings. Let me tell you, he thinks Miranda Sings is his sister, but he's not. I meant brother. So here's the final product. It is very jiggly. Well, it's not like you put your hand in and your hand is basically covered with slime. But no, I really like this slime. I'm going to keep it. And let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do any more YouTube videos, and I'll do them. So yeah, I love you guys so much. keep on and keep on sliming. Keep on and keep slime. Like, yeah. Oh, and subscribe to Karina Garcia because she's the bomb. Karina Garcia, if you're watching this, I love you. Like, sister is shook. I love, my favorite YouTuber right now would probably have to be Karina Garcia. But like, it's Karina Garcia, James Charles, Jeffree Star is all the way at the end. Emma Chamberlain, the Dolan twins. Yeah. Wait, let me know in the comments if Emma Chamberlain is dating Grayson. I can't tell the difference. And thumbs up for Riverdale. I'll see you guys next week.